Hi, Melanie here at Bell Camper Sales. Today I'm going to share with you a 360-degree video, so please take your time and look around as I'm pointing out a few of the amenities and the layout of this pre-owned camper we just received on trade. This is a 2019 KZ Sportsmen 201 RBLE. It has a rear bath that's nice and roomy. This has one slide out, so still lightweight, easy to tow. Great for a couple or even a family of three. So we're going to start in the main area here where you have this U-shaped dinette that is in your slide out. You do have a window for a view. This does change into an extra sleeping area that's quite long and comfortable there for an extra guest. And then you have all of this floor space in between with your kitchen on this side. 3-burner cook stove with an oven. Double sink with storage up above. And then you do have some storage here on the side. Pantry storage and drawers in the kitchen. These are real wood drawers. You have space to add a little TV that's already pre-wired here. Speakers are in your ceiling. You do have AC as well there. And in the rear you'll see that you have your gas electric refrigerator made by Norcold back here. And freezer. And then this is your bathroom. So I'm going to bring you back here with me. Show you a little more about what we have going on in here. This one has a corner shower. Easy to get in, not much of a step there. Medicine cabinet up above with storage and storage below the sink. And then your toilet here with your fan vent. So if this is a layout that will work for you, I would be happy to give you a tour and show you a few other things about it, especially on the outside, power awning and power tongue jack in the front. So my name is Melanie. I'm here at Bell Camper Sales in Bartlesville. Come on down, let me give you a tour. Let's get you camping.